Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm again here to share my review on newly launched lipstick by Inside Cosmetics. Now, let me tell you, I know it's sometimes really overwhelming and repetitive, but I'm doing my job to let you guys know whether it's worth the money or you need to save your money. So, without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the review. So Inside Cosmetics have launched their mousse lipsticks that comes in 12 shades for the price of rupees 240 each. You get 2.5 grams of product with 3 years of shelf life. The expiry date is 2028. I saw this exclusively available on Nykaa, did not see it anywhere. So if you like any of the shades, you can find the link in the description box. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I got these lipstick from my own money. I picked up 3 shades for myself, which you can see the swatches at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for it. And the packaging says that these lipstick has ceramides and argan oil in it. That's how the packaging looks like. Honestly speaking, I did not like the packaging at all, and you will find the rest of the details on the outer packaging itself. Now coming to the inner packaging, that's how the lipstick component looks like. It comes in a rose gold color, but let me tell you one thing, when I saw the inner packaging, I was totally disheartened and disappointed because I have never seen Inside Cosmetic compromising with the packaging. This is the first time that when I opened the packaging, I hold the product in my hand and it felt extremely cheap quality. It's so light that anyone can come to know that these are very inexpensive lipsticks. And yeah, it comes in this kind of sleek bullet. Also, let me tell you, the component has lot of scratches. If it is a newly launched product, I don't expect so many scratches on the bullet as well as on the component, so that disappointed me a lot. Now, talking about these lipstick, I was trying them for past couple of days after receiving it just to understand the formulation, its longevity, and how actually it feels on my dry lips, because my lips are going through rough phase, you guys, and be sure whether I would like to recommend it to my audience or not. So here is my experience while trying them. As I applied these lipstick, I noticed that it goes on smoothly as butter and does not turn patchy or streaky by any means, does not settle in my lip lines or exaggerate any of the texture or dry patches of the lips. It has a great pigmentation. As I have lot of darkness on the lips, I noticed that it covered everything just in a single swipe. These are matte lipstick, but it gives you a soft velvety matte finish and kind of blurry on the lips, which I totally love. Now these lipstick are matte, but it is comfortable matte formula that you will have to give it some time to settle on your lips completely, and once it is set, it becomes kind of transfer proof. It is non-drying, non-sticky, hydrating and lightweight in formulation because of the ceramides present in it, as the ceramides is going to trap in the moisture, giving you a comfortable wear all throughout. I also noticed that my lips felt kind of moisturizing because of the argan oil present in it. Now I did try to do a wear test of these lipstick for 5 hours. I saw that while sipping my water, my glass didn't stain whatsoever. In between the light meals, it did survive all of those, but once I had my heavy oily food, it did not last through that, you guys, because it came off completely from the inner part of my lips, giving me a butthole kind of situation. And when I saw in the mirror, most of the lipstick was deposited on the outer perimeter of my lips, giving me a lip liner kind of situation, which looked very weird and very bad. However, it was really very easy to take off with a wet wipe, and I was able to apply a fresh layer. Once I returned home, saw in the mirror, my lips felt very hydrating overall, and even after I removed my makeup completely, my lips didn't feel dry or stretchy whatsoever. And out of those 3 shades I picked up, the 2 shade did not need any lip liner, but 1 shade did require a lip liner. That shade I cannot pull it off on my bare skin, but on full makeup, definitely I can carry that shade very well. It's not fragrance free whatsoever, has that synthetic sweetie kind of fragrance which is not too overpowering but goes off within few minutes. I think Inside Cosmetics have tried to do something new with these lipstick formulation, because everyone is coming up with liquid mousse lipstick, but they have outdone and tried to come up with their own version of mousse lipstick, that too in a bullet form. So I think it is quite unusual from Inside Cosmetics end. And if you like any of the shade, let me know down in the comments which one did you like and planning to pick up for yourself. Hence proof these lipstick gets a total thumbs up from my end. I would love to recommend it to all of you. I think I complete each and every point, and now is the time to move on to the swatches. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, you might like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.